We are extremely excited for the Worldwide Day of Play and to launch the City of Play here in the best city in the world. This is the best city in the world, and to encourage young people and their families to get out and get active is something that's near and dear to my heart and always has been. And being a father now and having active ones at home, it shows that it's just more than health and wellness, which we all believe is important, but also the importance of spending time with your family. And that's what the Nickelodeon brand has always emphasized. And to be able to be here today, along with some of my counterparts and co-workers, Dora the Explorer and SpongeBob, and we're over there hanging out. And this is probably my third time here, but to be here amongst family and friends for such amazing cause is something I would do each and every time I was asked to. I can't wait for this 10th annual Worldwide Day of Play and to be able to flip this switch once again. So thank you for having me here, and thank you for the opportunity.